Today, we're going to create this professional and dynamic sales and profit dashboard using Claude AI. Let's get started. We already have a sales dataset containing customer, sales, profit, order, and other business-related information. First, open Google Chrome and search for Claude AI. Open the official Claude website and sign into your account. Once the Claude chat interface is open, now let's upload our dataset. Click the plus icon, select Add Files or Photos, and choose our sales dataset from the computer. Here we have our sales data. Once the file is uploaded, we're ready to create our master prompt. Now, instead of directly saying, "Create a dashboard," we can use a prompt like this. Analyze the uploaded sales dataset, understand all available columns, data types, and business metrics, and create a detailed professional prompt for generating a fully interactive sales and profit dashboard in HTML. This dashboard is for senior management. The dashboard should include important KPIs, 5 or more meaningful visualizations, interactive slicers and filters, and actionable business insights. Now press Enter. Claude will analyze our dataset and generate a detailed prompt based on the available data. As you can see, Claude has generated a detailed dashboard prompt. This prompt contains much more information than a simple instruction like, "Create a sales dashboard." Now simply copy the complete generated prompt. Next, let's create a new Claude chat. Now paste the optimized prompt that we just generated. Next, upload the same sales dataset again, so Claude has both the instructions and the original data available. Now press Enter. Claude will start analyzing the dataset and generating the complete sales and profit dashboard. Depending on the size of your dataset and the complexity of the dashboard, this process can take a few seconds. And there we have it. Claude has successfully generated our sales and profit dashboard. Look at that! We now have a complete dashboard generated from our raw sales dataset using a single detailed prompt. Now you'll notice a download option in the Claude interface. Click the download button to download the generated HTML dashboard file. Once the file is downloaded, open the HTML file in your browser. And now we can see the complete working dashboard. Now let's take a quick look at the sales and profit dashboard. At the top, we have the interactive filters, followed by the main KPI cards showing sales, profit, profit margin, orders, average order value, return rate, and unique customers. Below that, we have multiple interactive visualizations covering sales trends, category and regional performance, brand and product rankings, discount analysis, and operational performance. At the bottom, we have the key insights for leadership, where Claude automatically highlights important business insights from the data. Claude doesn't just create the visualizations, it also analyzes the data and provides actionable business insights to help understand sales, profitability, customers, products, and regional performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vizspire AI for more AI automation tutorials.